Hello, I'm Princess Sally Acorn. Introduction to Mass Media. Here, mass media refers to a diverse array of media technologies that reach a large audience via mass communication. These activities like television and radio, newspapers, internet access and others. The term, mass denotes not that a given number of individuals receives the products, but rather that the products are available in principle to a plurality of recipients. In the late 20th century, mass media could be classified into 8 mass media industries: books, the internet, magazines, movies, newspapers, radio, recordings, and television. In the 2000s, a classification called the 7 mass media have become popular. Do you know that telephone is a two-way communication device? So, the telephone has transformed into a cell phone which is equipped with internet access. Video games may also be evolving into a mass medium. You might have seen the app called Sonic Boom app. This lets you access on a device. Can you think Sonic runs on a runway? He likes to collect gold rings. In case of the swipe function, when you swipe up, Sonic jumps up like a ball. Or when you swipe down, he'll roll like a ball too. This was a quick demonstration of this app. Now for the 5 characteristics of mass media, which was identified by John Thompson of Cambridge University. First, comprise of both technical and institutional methods of production and distribution. Second, commodification of symbolic forms. Third, separation of contexts between the production and reception of information. Fourth, reach to those far removed, in time and space in comparison to the producers. And fifth, information distribution, a one-to-many communication form. This was a quick concept of mass media. Like, comment, and subscribe now.